Welcome to Koko's Forest Adventure. Tonight's story, Hoppy's Watering Can Adventure.
欢迎来到 Koko 的森林冒险。今晚的故事叫做《跳跳的澆水冒险》。
Are you ready? Let's begin. It was a beautiful day in the forest.
Flowers opened their petals to the sun.
Butterflies danced from bloom to bloom.
Koko found Hoppy near the big oak tree.
Hoppy looked worried about something.
Is everything okay? Koko asked softly.
Hoppy shook her head slowly.
Not really, whispered Hoppy.
The other animals were playing together.
Hoppy stood far away, watching them.
She wished she could join the fun.
But what if they do not want me?
Koko walked over to Hoppy.
Hey! Come play with us, said Koko.
Hoppy hesitated for a moment.
Are you sure? Asked Hoppy softly.
Together they searched the forest.
Look over there, pointed Hoppy.
They pushed through the tall grass.
The grass tickled their faces.
They found something unexpected.
I never saw this before, said Koko.
They both sat down to look closer.
It is so beautiful, whispered Hoppy.
Koko reached out and touched it gently.
Nature is full of surprises, said Koko.
Hoppy smiled from ear to ear. Hoppy stopped for a moment.
I want to try one more time.
Koko stepped back to give Hoppy space.
Hoppy closed her eyes.
Deep breath in. Deep breath out.
Then Hoppy opened her eyes wide.
They heard birds singing up above.
The forest was cheering them on.
We can do this, whispered Koko.
Hoppy stood a little taller.
At last, they understood.
Hoppy looked at Koko with bright eyes.
Thank you for helping me, said Hoppy.
That is what friends do, said Koko.
They walked home together under the sunset.
The sky turned pink and orange and gold.
Will you come back tomorrow? Asked Hoppy.
Every day, said Koko. I promise.
And she always kept that promise. The moon rose high above the trees.
Its light made everything silver and soft.
What a day we had, said Koko.
The best day, agreed Hoppy.
They watched the moonlight together. Koko looked at Hoppy one more time.
Kindness comes back to you.
Hoppy nodded slowly. It was true.
Some lessons you feel deep in your heart.
The forest wrapped them in gentle quiet. Let's learn our 3 words from today.
Word 1, water.
Koko showed Hoppy how to be water.
Word 2, can.
Koko and Hoppy found something can.
Word 3, grow.
In the forest, Hoppy felt grow. Great job, little friends.
You learned 3 new words today.
Kindness comes back to you.
Good night, everyone.
Sweet dreams, little friends. If you enjoyed the story, please like and subscribe.
晚安，小朋友。喜欢今天的故事吗？请按赞订阅我们的频道。
New stories every week. See you next time.